In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted photos from an iPhone without using a traditional backup. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what I would recommend doing is opening up your Photos app. And once you're in your Photos app, go to Collections, scroll down on Collections till you see Utilities, and open up your Recently Deleted. And I want to quickly break down how Recently Deleted works. But essentially, any deleted photos are going to go into your recently deleted. They're going to stay here for about 30 days, and then after 30 days, they'll disappear from your phone. If the photo is no longer in your recently deleted, don't worry, we have a way to back that up. Essentially, go ahead and exit out of the Photos app, and from here, go ahead and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, go ahead and tap your name up at the very top, scroll down, select iCloud, and then scroll down to this Save to iCloud section. Select photos on here and make sure that sync this iPhone is turned on. Once enabled, your iPhone will begin syncing your photos and videos to iCloud automatically. It may take a little bit of time though, depending on how many photos and videos you do have. After syncing does finish though, go ahead and back out of your settings, open up a web browser, and go to iCloud.com and sign in with your account. Scroll down, select photos on here, and you're going to be able to see all of those photos, including recently deleted photos as well. Just keep in mind that this will not require a manual iTunes or iCloud backup, and it is going to have iCloud syncing enabled in order for recovery to work. But that is it. That is how you can retrieve deleted photos from an iPhone without creating a backup. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.